Hey everybody, Pro Trader Mike and the Mojo Show. Creating a little masterpiece for everybody, absolutely. How's everybody doing today? Got the appropriate shirt. I wore this for a reason today. See everybody? King of the high of the day. King of the high of the day. Listen.
I say the future is ours. If you can count.
We're with you. Everyone's with me.
Now look what we have here before us. We've got the Sargents sitting next to the Jones Street Boys. We've got the Moon Runners right by the Van Cortlandt Rangers. Nobody is wasting nobody.
That's famous. Okay, so we got some good things happening. We're in UVXY right now. This stock right here, this is what we've traded today. It's done a triangle. Look this up, guys. This is a new study for charts. It's done a triangular quadrillation across the MSA, crossing the STO for a 5 and 15 minute rail grind study. Does that make sense, Mojo U? All my students right here? Does that make sense what I've just said? A triangular quadrillation into an SMA STO rail grind study. We've done that all day long. See, they know what that means. Yes, sir. You're like, dude, what the hell is he? Everybody has their own strategy, folks. Everybody. There's so many famous people out there that all do their own thing. Okay? Everybody got the Jones boys, the Pops, just like he said, all the boys. Listen.
Nobody is wasting no. We've got the Sargents.
See?
Sitting next to the Jones Street Boys.
Jones Street Boys.
We've got the Moon Runners.
I got the investors people over there. Got the other site right here.
Right by the Van Cortlandt Rangers.
Unbelievable. They're all in my room. They all come in to see me. They all come in. You know what I'm talking about? Listen, I'll show you the trading today, but it's Friday, TGIF. You want to see some? I'll show you as an example. Here's the MOJO Day Trade room. So earlier today, had this in the room, this guy comes in, domain prospects. Now, is that a normal guy coming in as an observer? I don't think so.
No. N-O.
So,
I'm so sorry. You're fired.
who he is a guy who has many, many domains and many email addresses and many aliases on the internet. And he goes from chat room to create toil and trouble. However, he made one mistake. The picture of that orange ugly truck I've seen in a bunch of other chat rooms. So as a mention, changing your name really doesn't do it. You gotta change your picture, dude. So that's that. Had some guys moving this morning, had some people in the room. We're in UVXY right now, guys.
Nobody is wasting nobody.
Okay?
That is a miracle.
Okay? Mojo's not here to trash nobody. Mojo's here to do his own thing.
And miracles is the way things ought to be.
Got the fly.
You're standing right now with 9 delegates from 100 gangs. And there's over 100 more.
son of a bitch. Darn. Did you see that, dude? Did you? Mojo, you ain't gonna believe this. The balls on this fly. Mojo, look at him right there, dude. Can you believe him? Look at him. He's right there, dude. Can you believe that? During the show, he comes out. Isn't that incredible? Look at him. Right on my screen. Isn't that unbelievable? It may be my pops. I may should not kill him. My pops always comes by as like when I'm on the golf course and I go into the woods to go do my leak. I look for the bugs, and that's always my pops, and I talk to him and stuff like that. You should do that. No, I don't go looking for balls in the woods, dude, because I keep my ball in play. I go piss in the woods, dude. Jeez Louise. Speaking of that, let me show you. Remember last week I said I'm going to go play with my friend Mike Little? Remember Mike Little? Right there. Put him on the scorecard. You remember that last Friday? Remember, guys? Started out with a nice 5 on the par 5. See that? Then I had a nice 4 on the par 3, 1 over. Then I had a nice 4 on the 4. Then I had a nice birdie on the par 5. Then I had a nice par. Then I had a nice birdie. Then I had a nice birdie, and I went 2 under par, fellas, last Friday. There we go. 5, 4, 4, 4, 3, 3 threes. Finished with the last hole. There's the fly with the birdie. Ooh, you son of a gun. Ooh, you see he's flying around me, that son of a gun. I'll get that sucker. Son of a gun. See that sucker? Got the card now. I don't have the towel. Get him with the card, man. Son of a bitch. I get that sucker. Damn fly. Yeah, the fly's taunting. There he is on the screen. Running all around my face.
Now there ain't but 20,000 here. Got the street, sucker. The turf is ours, but secure our turf.
That's a terrible speech, Rosie. That's what you wanted me to watch and play for the show? He gives me that? That's the worst, dude. Warriors, come out and play. That's what I thought you were going to show me, brother. That's what I thought you were going to show me. Oh, another phone call. Don't even type, dude. Don't even type, Rosie. Just forget about it. Let's move on to trading. Thank you very much. Wasted my time with the video. That's what he tells me to play. Check out the video. Can you please remove the video? Please? Thank you so much. And I'm sending you a message right now. Because what just happened, dude, is mostly incredible, if you could see that. We are able to communicate private message in my room. And I just sent the trader a private message. That's what we did. So let's go back and let's see what we got going on. Did a great walk away, man, on UV this morning. The walkaways have been nice this week. A couple of stocks have been really taunting. SSKN. Some great trades happening right there. SSKN is like the other piece of crap we just did today. Here we go. Takes a lot of patience today to trade. A lot of patience. Go back to the beginning of the day. I help people even when I know they can't help me back. I do. That's the most thing that I do. I get a lot of aggravation for the little bit of satisfaction and gratification, and then you have to weigh all the factors in between to see if it's worth it. Okay, with anything. And we traded Pran this morning, looking at the news. We had these guys come in the room. I showed this guy right here and this guy some amazing trades, man. And I welcomed them to the MOJO Day Trade room. Pran, we bought it right here. Look. What's TOS? That's something with TradeStation, something like that. I don't know, something like that. Let me see who's connected to my screen. Make sure no free people are. Hold on. Matt Smith, Delicate. Okay. There was a bunch of these guys this morning that were connected to my screen, so I got them off. And in order to listen live to me in the MOJO Day Trade room, all you have to do is click on this live chat channel. Right here. You just click on it. Show it to you. Right here. So if you just click when you're in the room and you come in, then you can listen to me live on the audio. Right there. And then we had good morning everybody. Pran at 365, Signal at 358. So we're just watching it. Most people would buy right here, but it's going to go lower. 356. That's not Pran, that's CDXC. And then here's Roxy we were looking at this morning. We own Roxy. Very cheap. And here's this guy, Sunny Brainy, right here. Let me just ban. He's gone. Because these guys that come to the room like that don't talk, I don't want you back in here. This is the Four Seasons in the Ritz-Carlton. Once you come in as a schlub and you eat the appetizers in the restaurant, the guy's going to remember you at the front door. Like the guy with the orange truck. You can come in under a different name, but dude, change your face. Change your disguise. Give me a break. I could see it's you. I just kicked you out. He comes back in with a hood on. Come on, dude. Gives me another fake ID. Pran 335. So Pran went from the Signal right here. Most people would have bought it 358. It's 20 cents lower. So then we started to buy, and we bought this stock CDXC for an entry, 500 and 500. It never went over 308. People bought that wrong too today in the house. First trade of the day is not always the most amazing. We trade all day long. 1,500 shares of UV right here. I wore a shirt just for it. New high of day. So I'm announcing what I'm doing today, coming in with my own game plan, which is to trade the ETFs. Last night I went in and sent out the newsletter to all the subscribers. Where is it? It's like an ETF party. 3 overnight ETF picks right here. Was sent to all the subscribers right here at time stamped 11:51 a.m. 3 picks just got added for overnight holds. UVXY 1444, entry price 1425, LABD 955, and Nugget 765. What did they all do today? Let's see. Nugget from 765 is right now $8.31. Nice job on Nugget. Really good job. LABD at 955 was a close one. It went 970 and died back down. Give it time, give it time. It looks still good on the daily as a red cross. Remember the red cross, Alan? We were speaking about that, which was the notorious red cross. And that Trump pattern, by the way, that I called 3 weeks ago has really been predominant, the Trump pattern. And the last one was UVXY at 1440, went to 1453 also. We kind of missed on that one. It's really quiet. Okay, so 1 out of 3 ain't bad for the new overnight picks that went out. And we have a couple of other ones. Number 1 is my special situation report, which is just at another new 52-week high. I've been mentioning it on my Twitter account for quite some time. I was hoping everybody was going to get involved with it. A lot of people have, and I'm going to congratulate a lot of those people. I'll show you what that is. So if you go to my Twitter page, everybody, please follow me on Twitter because it's the way to be. Pro Trader Mike at Twitter. You can actually see from the pick, I think it was yesterday, it's Pro Trader _Mike. I'm on all these social media sites, folks. And I'm live on the air on YouTube. I was live a little earlier on Periscope trying to nail the fly.
Pro Trader Mike, live on Periscope.
There's the fly. See him? He just flew by. And he was just, I'm gonna get that sucker, man. The story of the Mojo fly. So that's right there, live HD. It came out pretty nice. Came out nice. And then the special situation report just set a new 52-week high. It's 30% off Mother's Day. So if you click that, this is the special situation report. And not since 2008 in the mortgage crisis has there been an opportunity for wealth to be created in the stock market. Did you bet for the mortgage stocks to fall and make millions? If not, this is a world-changing event, folks. Okay? My silent mentor gave me this pick. Search my blog for the silent mentor on the MOJO Day Trading website, and you'll see what I'm talking about. And MOJO Day Trading website with the blog is right here. Let me see if I even have that. Blog, silent mentor. MOJODayTrading.com. It has a search feature right up here. And search MENTOR. Silent. See right here. Mike, you have to have your own mentor. We mentor. There's some good stuff here, guys. See who the silent mentor is. Alright? And when the ask on the level 2 is so big, it's a gonzo. That's a really good video right here that you guys should check out on the gonzo trade play. Okay? Really good video. Gonzo trade play. Check that out right there. And the special situation report, the stocks, I'll show you in the room where these people own it. Quite exciting. Quite exciting. So we have Nugget. There's the high 794, but Nugget's a new high a day, folks. See the shirt? I wore it especially. We specialize in trading exchange-traded funds. They're called ETFs. UVXY, LABU, LABD, Nugget, JDST, all of the following. Chew along, baby. Here we go. UVXY, 1,500 shares doing a box trade on UVXY. And I taught that in MOJO University last night, which is in course 7 in MOJO University. Anybody want to see what the courses look like for that course, number 7? When you have your own MOJO University dashboard, this is what it looks like. Ooh, Remy's making noises. He's dreaming. It's okay, buddy. Daddy's here, sweetheart. I'm here, honey. I'm here, sweetie. Oh, come here, buddy. Let me hold you. He's dreaming and he's like, oh my gosh, be gentle. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. You know that? You're a nice man. You're a nice man. Say hello. You see that? The fly came by you. Did you see? Ooh, look, there's the fly. He's coming by you. Look. Ooh. He's a good boy. You're a good boy. Ooh, you're tired, huh? You're a good boy. Let's see if he does any nuzzles. He usually nuzzles on my hand like, good boy. You looking at the show? Me and you on the show. Alright, let's get back to the show. I'll show everybody. Look. So when you go to your MOJO University dashboard, guys, check it out. Check it out. One second. So when you go to your dashboard, you come right here and it's got all the courses. It has the special situation report. It has the live interactive course. The basics bundle, which consists of level number 1 and the MOJO Day Trade room for free. So that really covers you getting into level 1 at a low entry level. You can do the advanced bundle, which is 5 courses, or the super bundle, which is all 10 of the courses. Okay? There's a Mother's Day special for 30% off all of these courses and bundles. You start with level 1 and you continue. In level 2, you'll have 3 aha moments in this class alone. Step it up a notch in level 3 with advanced level 2 and charting and starting to learn the hinds and some other trade plays. Level 4, it's getting really good now. Level 5, it's just getting better. 6, the next steps to building. We did 7 and 8 right here. The Heinz trade play, the mini Heinz, the lemon squeeze. I'll show you right now. Roll. You click enroll. I'm already enrolled in the course. So right here, I'll show you what the lecture looks like. It's a 16-minute video right here. Not the one. Hold on a second. It's 7 that we're up to right here. I have to update that. Let me just make sure. This is what MOJO U is, guys. Check it out. It's really cool. This is it. So this is MOJO U. This is the class we did last night. Okay? On the Heinz trade play. Hold on a second. Right here. This is MOJO University.
Hey everybody, Pro Trader Mike, MOJO University. Welcome everybody. Got lesson 44 happening right now. Class level number 7. I have the chat room live here with me. For some people that are going to learn today about the MOJO trade plays and the trade playbook. So we're on lesson 44, the one-shot trade play. And I'll show you what that's all about.
This is MOJO University. It's amazing.
So right here, I'm going to go to my color, let's go blue. Blue, like from the movie with the...
Guys are live in the chat room right there, underneath me. I'm live teaching them all live.
Christian.
Pro Trader Christian, Marino, Eric, Gerardo, they're all in there. Right?
Christian.
That's Christian. That's Christian.
I'll just put a C by your name.
See? That's
This
C.
is PTC.
That's Pro Trader Christian.
There. And then we have, this is Carol.
That's Carol, Pro Trader Carol.
Carol.
She was there.
And this down here, late to the scene, is Pro Trader Eric.
Hey, Eric! And I
Yes.
go through the one-shot trade play, and I actually show you all about it. That video is 49 minutes and 14 seconds long. The next one I do is on the mini trade plays, and then this is 11 minutes, 23 minutes, 44 minutes, and a bonus lesson on the bump. That's the example of what you get in just one of the levels, folks. It is truly an amazing, amazing course. And that is a fact. Still the same on the U's. Remy's licking my thing, look. He's eating my desk. What are you eating here? He's eating he's eating my thing. He's got his mouth on it and just kneading on it. Like that. Look, how cute is that? Make it go up. Look, he's making UV go up. Look, Remy, UV's going up, honey. 36. He has his mouth open on it. He is so good. Here, do it on my finger. He does it like a little boy. Like, you're a good boy. Oh, you're a nice boy. You good boy. You are. You're nice. Boy. Boy. Good. He's so sweet. Me and the Remy on the show today. So, here he goes. Remy. Oh, there he goes. He's typing something. 42, he made UV go up. Good boy. Good boy, honey. So nice. How did he make that thing come up like this? Look what he did. He made this thing come up. What is that? Under my name. Another chart thing. That was cool. How do you do that? Oh, he put edit or something. That's what he did. He put edit. That's what he did. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Oi. Something happened. Oh, you're a good boy. You know you made UV go up. Here we go. You gonna play with that? You licking that? He's a good boy, isn't he? So let me show you the rest of the trading here. Dow's down 40. Finally. Patience, man. Patience. Here, Remy. Chew on my pen. I have a bone. I have a bone. Look at the bone. He loves the bones, guys. He's a bone kind of guy. Let me get you in a better position. Here you go, honey. There you go. Here. Get you in a better position. He likes when I hold it for him like this, so he can just like have a firm. I hold it, nice, and he chews on it. The fly's on the desk right there. Fly. Got the Remy, the fly. See, he just flew by right there. He just flew right by my head. See him? Just gotta make sure I got my cells in over here. Alright, let me show you the cells happening here. Take the cell side over here. Give me a second, I gotta put some cells in so when UV makes the pop up back here, I got it boxed. Hold on. So we started out right here, UV with a new trade at 14.24, because this is how I showed everyone how we get into our trades. So we want to scale in right here, 1, 2, and 3, anticipating a move back up here, back above this line. That's what we do. Okay, and then from there, it kind of like, oh, that wasn't it. There's 432. Huge move. So it went, there's the down, and then it came right back up like I showed you. And then we did this MTBC, biggest piece of crap. I hate the small stocks. I hate the small stocks, boys. I hate them. Let me shut the light off in here. Got the brights on in the office. Go to my Arctic Aurora. See how everything went blue? The Arctic Aurora. Let's put the blossom. See, everything's pink. The lights go pink. Let's pick a different scene. How about Savannah Sunset? Ooh, nah, I like the other one, the blue. I like that. The Arctic Aurora. The lights are blue. I have those U lights. They're cool. Let's see, I'll show you. Right there. I got the disco lights too. I was playing the disco last night. Let's show you the disco action in the office. Here we go. Ready? Let's do it, boys. Here we go, MOJO Day Trading. Kick it on up. Kick it on up. We gotta play a song now. Give it to the music. Where's my music? Got the disco lights going now in the office. I'm like in a disco party. See that? Everything's disco. Me and the Remy dancing and discoing around. Everything's a masterpiece. See, guys, you can't do this in any 9-to-5 job. This pays me right here. And I'm making money in UVXY. And I got the disco lights going. And I have my coffee. I'm in heaven. Got the best job in the world. I do teach a lot of people how to do this. I've actually taught thousands of people how to do this. So, if you're in Pran or MTBC, shame on you. Okay? Ask yourself, what the F are you doing? Then say, man, I never ask Mike anything and I always lose. That's good advice. Please elaborate on your questions. What's up with PRPH? When someone says this in the room, how am I supposed to know what's up with PRPH? What's up with it? Is it up? Is it down? Is it stinky, smelly, ugly? No? Yes? I don't know what's going on. It's blah, 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 blah. I'm confused. He's 600 PRPH. Well, there you go. It's a piece of crap. Rest in peace. Piece of crap. Rest in peace. Okay. If you're thinking there's 199,000 shares in a little stock that's $2, you think it's going to fly to the moon? Maybe if it was 10.9 million shares of a $2 stock, not 199, I can pee on 199,000 shares. It's a piece of crap. Wake up, folks. Money's passing you by. You're getting clipped. You're not a pro. Really? You should have your stripes taken away. Absolutely. Absolutely. Supposed to get out. That's right. And then you would have made all that money back. Thank you so much for that move on the UVXY, buddy. You're such a good boy. We're going to trade it again right down here, guys. Go ahead and do your entries and box, please. So we've been boxing all day long. And I got the 24. Who wants to see the stock that I picked at 24 cents that went to $11.74? And the characteristics it displayed and why I did it. You want to see something amazing? Who wants to see? That's what I did in MOJO U last night. And then I went on a coffee run. Meet the ketchup addict. Oh yeah, honey. I love the ketchup. Nugget new high of the day. UV new high of the day, 448. Special situation report at a new 52-week high. You think the special situation report will pull back? Absolutely not. Pro Trader Spay. Special situation report is amazing. He owns it at $5.60. Sweet is right. Making new 52-week highs. Let me just check it on my other screen here for a second, folks. And just like look at the chart. I'm not giving you the symbol. There's a lot of them in the industry. You'll never, ever, ever get the one I have, which is cool. And it is at $7 and hold on. $7.05. Here's what it looks like on the breakout right here. Thank you so much, folks, for the special situation report. Right there. Yeah, boy. You don't think it's moving? Stock's going to $100 per share. 100. Rad's moving? Oh boy. I got Rad at $3.90 last time. It's only up 9 cents. Good job, though. Thanks in the 5 minute. Thank you. Thank you, man, for that. So we have a lot of new higher days. A lot of new higher days. We have going to 100. I'll show you right here. I just want to go over a couple of these things because this is what we talk about in the room. We need to share with the public. You think it's going to put special situation reports at a 52-week high and it just finds $7. Never sell the pick ever in your whole. It's going to create wealth. Just buy it every point it goes higher. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, all the way up. You can stop at 30. It's going to 100. MOJO will make history on this stock, as I did last special situation report I put my research into, and it happened. This is another special situation report. It's $100 per share it's going to. I'm offering a 30% discount to the public for Mother's Day. For the room and the other traders, I'm offering a 50% discount. 50%. For the room. 50% discount. Let me know if you want it. Now, if I told you a horse was going to be winning the race, and I gave you the horse's name, wouldn't you go to the racetrack and bet money on that horse and make a lot of money? Of course you would. Of course you would. Okay? The same holds true, and you'd pay me for that horse's name. That's what you do. It's like a bookie. They give you all that amazing info. You go back to him again. You say, give me another pick. The pick's only $100. 30% off is $70. To my room members, it's $50. Every single person in this room should own the stock, enjoy the wealth that it's going to create on a daily basis. You guys need to subscribe to my YouTube, man. You know? My YouTube's cool like that tiger. Rad's 4, here it goes. Gotta buy some. You're a boy. Yeah, I know, honey. Remy's the best, dude. So if I told you can buy a newspaper a year from now and know what the stock is at $100 per share, and it's only $50 to buy that newspaper today, and it'll tell you everything in a year from now, every single person in this room would do, in the world would do that. Why aren't you doing it with this stock? And then everybody wants to pick. Anybody that pro traders, put up your like hopper. Let me show you. You guys are getting on Twitter now, and you're speaking about the MOJ. Here's my Twitter. So let's say my notifications. Let's say like Hopper. See you? If this is you, Hopper. You know, great. You have no picture there. And you need to change your name to Pro Trader Hopper. You do that right here. And your profile, you go to View Pro, and you go click Edit Profile right here. And then you could edit this information right here in this box and put trading on the MOJO Day Trade team and stuff like that. And then click Save. I have 36,000 followers, folks, on Twitter. All organic. I've never paid or said, oh, you know, add 10,000 followers for, you know, a dollar. I get those in my inbox all day long. Now, if you do that, what happens is, yeah, I have 100,000 followers, right? But then when I do a post like this, right? 3 and 2 is my natural people. See? I get like, let's scroll to yesterday, like 3 and 3. These are my now if I had 100,000 and I had them be like, dude, they're not real audience. So the more people you get, the less reaction, it dwindles down your response rate. It's just natural. Just natural. You know what I mean? So right there, there's 3. I get the likes, and that's what I want you guys to do, is spread the love for the MOJO. Look, 3 new picks that just came out right there. I gotta remove that. I gotta remove the swing archive and privatize it, because it posted on that site. Posted on that site. Hey, I'm gonna put Remy now. Here, I'm going to take this on the floor. Over here. Now I got my 2 boys on the floor. So that's the special situation stock pick. And to joining a MOJO is very easy. See, the 4 and the 5 people that do that is all natural for me. This was cool. This is the Dow at 16,000, 17,000, 18,000, 19, 20, and 21,000. All cool. And the forum, which I wanted to mention the other day, on the MOJO site. Let me show you that. Start to add this, more activity to this, and I could follow it. Here's my forum. So I have, you know, the Dow, that picture up there, and these are all little cool posts like the Heinz trade play, the Heinz on this, and some reactions to it. Who got some response like this on CBLI. Was a nice move from $3.40 to $5 in the MOJO Day Trade room on CBLI. There was some of these had some comments on it. 6 posts, 2 posts. Where's the comments? Oh, here they are. Like on this, the comments. Like on these, this was a great post on SGNX through Death Valley. We bought here at 347. See that? There's the buy. and sold part right there, and then traded it through Hines, as I teach everybody, and then it went to 460, and everybody made thousands of dollars. What the heck's a Hines? There you go. Ask Mike. Love the Hines. You guys can make comments and check this out. This is the forum. You want to get a free level copy of my level 2 video? Just register for the webinar on May 10th, and everybody will get a copy of my video at the end of the webinar, should you really like the Mojo and want to do that. The watch list today was spectacular. Right off the watch list was a couple of real nice winners. MTBC at 175 when I put it on the watch list this morning, made a beautiful move. Yeah, rad, honey. Carol, you're the best. Thank you, Carol. Thank you. MTBC this morning made a beautiful move for the Mojo right here. Look at the spike I caught on the V-band right here. And then the stock made a move all the way up to 193. Look at that, folks. That's a beautiful move. I caught that move right there in the Mojo room. UVXY again. And that's a beautiful move right there. And that's what we traded. So we boxing UV all day. We're trading that. Doing some really great things. You keep looking for what email? Not sell until 100. Correct. I think it'll split and go to 200. I picked SPU. SPU at $1 went to 22. Same kind of thing, a 2,000% move. I picked this in the room for everybody right here. Went from $1 to 21. I picked this for everybody. You know that for a fact. I could show you the newsletter on that too. On SPU. You want to see SPU and how I was able to do that? It's the same thing as plug. Here's the toolbox last night. This is SPU pick. How do you think I picked Roxy? Look in my videos. After SPU, I was waiting for a stock in the same industry as a tag along to SPU, and that was Castle Brands with Roxy. That's 60 cents, 70 cents. Everybody else picked it up over $1 copying me. Big deal, they all copy me. One of my competitors put out BPMX this morning. It was my swing pick yesterday. Amazing. We got a new guy that came to the room. There's no more free day. Guy down here, Joa. This guy, an observer in the room right here. I'm gonna have a problem with the observers in the room. They come in, but they don't do nothing. You know what I mean? You just don't do nothing. So like, listen live to me on the radio so I can talk to you and say, dude, what are you doing? Who are you? How's it going? Look, you look. To listen to Pro Trader Mike live on the audio channel, click directly on the voice channel, the live chat. See that? Double click on the highlighted voice. Right there, see that? Boom, it's right there. And then if you don't join, what do you do? Why'd you come to the room? You know? And then I go like this, you gotta be listening. You know, give me a break. So we trade like champions in the room. Remy's the best. The fly's a pain in the ass. I'm live on YouTube. On my YouTube channel, there's a little subscribe here, guys, on the video right here you could see. Just scroll your mouse right on and you can subscribe. You see that little thing come up? Let me see. Here. See, right here, you just click subscribe and you subscribe to my channel. Just click on it and it'll take you right to my page. And that's it, and you can see all my videos. Okay? That's how that works. You know what my competitors do? They make videos and they put it out, but then they make edits. And they edit the video. So the video is edited. And it's not really like real. Because if you edit the video, how's it live? Trading if you edit the video. So Joe is kicked. See you, Joa. He's gone. So his room just got taken. You know, that's like an American Airlines. He's on the plane. And they're like, yo, your seat, your seat, your seat. He didn't come to it. Someone else just took his seat. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence is not an act, but an act of Aristotle. Yeah, Alan's got some good quotes too. Aristotle's good, but more for day trading. I like Alan's quotes. You know what I mean? Alan's got a really good one. Alan's quote is this: I have a lot of respect for tough coaches. Pro Trader Alan.
Yeah.
Nice job. Nice job. Yeah, it's a good one. Put the room right there. That's a good one. So, yeah, it's a really good one. Really good one. See another good one? Here's a good one. Never forget that 2 + 2 = 4, which is kind of like my 1 + 1 formula. And when someone tells you old-fashioned that math is, zip up your wallet, take a vacation, and come back in a few years to buy the stock at cheaper price. Let's see another. Buffer. I like him too. You found my mojo. Groovy, baby. How about rule number 1, never lose money. Rule number 2, never forget rule number 1. All the people that want to put out negativity onto the internet and do bad and write bad stuff or talk bad about people, and that's what you do, no problem. Karma, baby. No problem. That's what people do. People do it to LeBron James. People do it to every Trump. People like Trump, they hate Trump. People like LeBron, they hate LeBron. People like this, they don't like that, you know? But I just tell you right now, dude, karma's a bitch, man. Okay? Karma's a beach. Because, dude, I try to do the right thing. And I help people even when I know they can't help me back, man. I lend it out. Okay? And people, those who do you wrong, will eventually face their own karma. Absolutely. And Mr. Karma, I have a whole list of people that you've missed. Send them right along. Because you know why? Haters make us famous. You better believe it. And honestly, I don't have time to hate people who hate me because I'm too busy loving the people who love me. Okay? And that's a fact. Because Dad, what I'd give to say hello, Dad, in the same old way, to hear his voice, to see his smile, to sit with him and chat. So if your father's still here, cherish him, care for him. You'll never have a heartache until you see his empty chair. Pro Trader Mike signing off. Peace, everybody. Have an amazing weekend. You take care. Keep it profitable. And I'll see you in the Mojo chat room next week and on the Mojo Show. Be sure to subscribe and click there, like I said.